In 1914, the world was shook by a war that involved all the powers that be. 1939, just when people were recovering, World War II began and broke it once more. In 2008, people woke up with their life savings instantly missing, everybody's livelihood taken away in a blink of an eye. In 2011, the symbol of power was bombed and taken down. There has been constant turmoil. Even Mother Earth gave no mercy. There is no escape to this pandemonium. However, this movie has nothing to do with the previous mentioned, so please do sit back and relax for the feature film. Expect the unexpected, they say. You'll be in places you don't expect to be. Meet the people you don't expect to. Find the person you love unexpectedly. But just like every good thing that comes your way, you have to expect the bad to come forward. When it comes, time stands still. We look for memories, memorabilia, or just anything to remind us how good it was back then. And sometimes, we find something we don't expect to. Things that they leave behind. But time may be a blessing, it heals all as it passes. And the gift bestowed to us we pass along. Just like how the previous generation met. The future also meets in the same fashion. There will be hard times, and there will be a time where the same ones will help you. But decide to stay throughout. Some even longer than you expect them to. Prepare ourselves for certain occasions. And in life, it's not where you go, it's who you travel with. What we wear on our ring finger reminds us of our love story. Planning brings the future into the present so that you can do something about it now. Sometimes we need someone to help carry the chip on our shoulders. Dear wife and my unborn daughter, if I die tomorrow, next year, or whenever it might be, I'll know you'll be taken care of.
So if I your head more, Victor. Cannot
This is the behind the scenes. Our actress cannot cry.
I walk past. Why you walk past?
The video like that finish already ah. We got so many product merchant right. Then you all feature. You never feature Renopedia, our own brand We online renovation media You never feature. Then some more right. I add 8%. I come here a while, I die already. Okay or not? I add main lead one You should put me as the main lead one. Wow, then. Aiyo, you are sibei jialat ah. Sibei tuan you huh?
Well, this video is brought to you by Renopedia, and if you guys need some renovations or like interior designers, please do find us. And yeah, the guy who died in the first scene is my boss.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.